So Brian and I are at the Junction Hostel in the Philippines, and they want us to do this challenge. Now my brother already did it, and it looked quite disgusting, seeing a little tiny baby bird in there. But he ate it, so now it's my turn to do so. Now the object is to crack one side of these and drink the soupiness out of it. Now, am I supposed to do this side or this side?
The one that has the smoother, yeah, maybe that one, yeah.
This one, okay. Peel this open. Oh, there's a membrane inside there. I guess I got to get through that part.
Yep.
Yeah, that's great. Let's just poke away at this. I don't even want to look at it. Oh, there it is.
The best.
Actually, the soup is pretty good. I don't even want to look at this. Alright. Here we go. I see the little chick right there. Wait, I think there's some more juice. You should probably get a close-up of this thing. You see that? I don't know what that is. Oh boy. Why did we decide to do this? Oh man.
You have the chick right away. Did you see it?
Okay. There's the chicken. Yeah. There we go. There's the beak. Oh, it talks. Wait, hold on. Don't eat me, don't eat me. Oh gosh. Okay. Here we go. I gotta eat this thing first.
It's not too bad, right?
You know, it kind of tastes like chicken. Well, of course it does, but I mean, it tastes like an egg. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I really thought I was going to gag.
So would you recommend this to your friends?
I don't know. Yes, I would recommend it to my friends because I want to know if they could do this. I mean, we've eaten some pretty weird stuff, but I think this by far is the grossest thing that we've eaten. I can't even get through that. What is it?
It's called the stone.
Am I supposed to eat
finish
that?
the stone. Yeah, not really.
No, you don't eat that?
Yeah, but you have to eat the red part. Yeah,
Okay.
like the yolk.
Okay. That part's not that good. Let's put some salt on it. It tastes like a hard-boiled egg. It's really not that bad. I think it was just the texture of the baby bird sliding down my throat.
Cooked baby bird.
And trying to talk to me as I was eating. It was disturbing. Alright, I took the challenge. We finished it.
Okay,
Thank
great.
you.
Yay!